Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. On this video, we will be installing some side skirts on the POLO build. We also installed this front splitter in the last video. It looks really good. Thankfully, we don't have any problems with it. I don't scrape it anywhere besides our driveway. Our driveway is the only place that we have problems with it. It's the only spot that we scrape it, unfortunately, but small price we pay for this POLO looking this good. But if you guys like the POLO build, hit that subscribe button. Check out all our videos on our YouTube channel. Yeah, it started off stock, now it looks like this, pretty mean. And yeah, let's get into installing these side skirts. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so these side skirts come in 4 different pieces. If you guys are buying it, the link will be in the description. So I'll show you guys how to bond these pieces together so it's actually nice and tight and doesn't fall apart. Because I tried using super glue on this section here and the super glue did not hold whatsoever. So I actually opted in to melt the pieces together. As you can see here, I just took a hot screwdriver and just squished all the plastic together, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Like, you can shake it around and it's pretty sturdy. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. So that's the route that we'll be taking with this other side. So I'll be heating up this screwdriver with the flame and then melting the pieces together. So let's get to it. All right guys, so the other side skirt is welded together. Melted them all together, so now we just need to move the car into the carport, lift it up and install the side skirts. Let's get to it. All right guys, the POLO is lifted, it's on the jack. So now all we need to do is measure out between this point and that corner, cut this side skirt to size, and then we'll start riveting from the back so that we line up that little fin, and let's see how it goes. So with the POLO's rear wheel, there is a little mud flap on this side. So with our side skirts, we're gonna have to cut a little notch out here so that that slides in nicely and it's level with the actual wheel arch. So that's what I'm going to do now. Just give it a little notch here so that fits in nicely, and then we can start riveting it into the car. Let's get it. All right guys, so we've put one rivet into the rear end of the splitter, lining up the back. Now we're just gonna come and line up the front. I've left a bit extra here, so we'll neaten that up when we're done. But as you can see, that's what it's gonna look like. So all we need to do now is I'm gonna go ahead and take that T-Rex seal from my last video. I'm gonna put a nice thick layer of that T-Rex seal in this little crevice all along the splitter. Then I'm gonna go ahead, stick it up, drill holes through the splitter into the underside of the car, and then I'm going to start riveting it in. Let's do it. Alright guys, now that I've gone ahead and installed some of the rivets, I'm going to go ahead and put 3 on each section. So 1 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 on the other side. So there should be 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of rivets, 12 rivets in this entire section. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Perfect, so all the rivets have been installed, guys. As you can see there, we've got more than enough rivets stuck in this. Nice and sturdy. Now I just need to clean up this little edge here, line it up with the car, and I'm just going to use my grinder and literally just eyeball it. So right about there. Boom, go from the bottom. There you go. So now that's all nice and straight. It's all clean from the back. Let's go ahead and rip off all these little shards. Boom. There we have it. Man, that looks good. I've actually done the other side already, so this is what it looks like. I don't know about you guys, but that looks sexy. Like, I'm really happy with how this turned out. Pretty neat. Lines up with the front splitter. So once we get those wheel spaces, the wheels will push out a little bit and line up with both of them, which will be nice. Look at how good this. I'm really digging it. There's a little gap here, about 2 mil thick, as you can see there. Same with this side, about 2 mil thick. And the really nice thing is this little lip actually lines up with the car. So as you can see, it comes down, pulls up, and that lifts up almost the same angle as that, which is pretty neat. I'm a big fan. I think it looks good. To be honest, I don't think these side skirts are going to look as good as they do because they're obviously modular ones, not the full ones. But honestly, after melting them together, you can barely see the splits. I mean, summertime's going to be a different story. Everything's more visible in the like nice strong sunlight. But I'm very happy with how it turned out, guys. Polo's looking good. If you guys haven't liked, comment, subscribe, please do so, because yeah, we've filmed everything on this car from stock to what it looks like now. So if you like anything, the V-Land, tail lights, the headlights, the Odding spoiler, the tinted windows, I have filmed everything and put it on YouTube. So just, yeah, check it out. But I'm very happy with how this turned out, guys. Right guys, now that that's done, let's lower the car and go get some cool shots. Let's do it.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter.